Somehow, and I know it sounds crazy, but 2020 seems to have flown by. It's been an incredibly tumultuous year, and it's almost time to buckle down and hibernate for the winter. Now more than ever, it's important to keep on top of your nutrition, as it's vital to support the function of a healthy immune system. Here are 10 plant-based tips to keep your immune system in check. Number 1. Support adrenals. Time for a mini science lesson. Located just above the kidneys, the adrenals are hat-shaped glands that produce a number of important hormones, including cortisol, aka the stress hormone. The adrenals are the ones responsible for your fight or flight response. Some experts believe the daily stresses and anxieties of modern life can lead our adrenal glands to produce too much cortisol, eventually leading to burnout. This is known as adrenal fatigue, an imbalance that can negatively affect the immune system. How can you support your adrenals in time of stress? One way is to take an immune-supporting supplement. Fueled with a powerful combination of vitamin C, elderberry, and echinacea, Herbaland's Immune Plus gummies for adults are vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, free from major allergens, and perfectly tasty thanks to their raspberry lemon flavor. They'll help support the adrenal glands and strengthen the immune system as a whole, which is a win-win during cold and flu season. You can also try to keep on top of your stress levels with a bit of self-care, whatever form that may take for you. Number 2. Eat more plant-based foods. Want to know another way to support a healthy immune system? Make sure you're getting all the right vitamins and minerals through your diet. Plant-based whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains are all sources of important vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The latter is particularly important when it comes to maintaining a healthy immune system because it's good for your gut. Number 3. Support gut health. Speaking of your gut, supporting gut health is vital when it comes to ensuring a healthy and properly functioning immune system. This is because roughly 70% of your immune system is actually located in your gut. You may not like to think about all those gut bacteria floating around, but they have very important jobs. They help T cells to develop and ensure nothing gets through your intestinal lining that shouldn't. Want to help your bacteria out? Feed them foods high in fiber like beans, nuts, grains, vegetables, and citrus. Fermented plant-based foods like tempeh, miso, kimchi, and sauerkraut are also good for gut health. Number 4. Boost iron intake by drinking coffee away from meals. While coffee is good for waking up in the morning, it's frankly not great for nutrient absorption, particularly when you have it with a meal. One study by the National Institute of Health found that drinking instant coffee with a meal containing bread reduced iron absorption by 60 to 90%. The stronger the coffee, the less iron absorbed. And it's not just coffee that has an impact. Polyphenols, found in both tea and coffee, may also inhibit iron absorption. No surprise here, but iron is important to keep your immune system healthy, as it helps transport oxygen around the body to keep tissues nourished. But you don't necessarily have to give up your daily cup of joe, as drinking coffee away from mealtime does not seem to impact iron absorption. Number 5. Take vitamin D. Vitamin D helps keep your immune system going, so it's important to get your fill. If you haven't, you should definitely get your levels checked with your doctor. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin. This is because your skin actually makes it in response to sunlight. Factors that can lead to deficiency include living somewhere that doesn't have many bright, sunny days. For some countries, like up near the Arctic, this may be close to year-round. For others, this may be just in the fall or winter months. But there are other ways to get vitamin D aside from sunlight. You can get vitamin D2 from plant-based foods like fortified cereal and mushrooms. You can also get vitamin D3, the more absorbable form of the vitamin, from supplements. Most commercial D3 supplements contain sheep-derived lanolin, but Herbaland's D3 and B12 gummies for adults are certified vegan. They use lichen. The recommended dose is 1 gummy per day with a meal. However, it's important to note that individuals need different amounts depending on their current levels. With that in mind, it's always best to get your vitamin D levels checked with your doctor first. Number 6. Get a good night's sleep. When it comes to a healthy immune system, do not underestimate the importance of good sleeping habits. This is because sleeping helps to improve your body's T cells. These are immune cells that fight against other harmful virus-infected cells. Stoyan Dimitrov, PhD, a researcher at the University of Tübingen in Germany, authored a study on the subject in 2019. He explained to Healthline, quote, "Stress hormones dip while the body is asleep. High levels of these substances might decrease the efficiency of T-cell immune response to kill pathogens. As a minimum, adults should aim for 7 hours of sleep a night." Number 7. Drink lots of water. It's age-old advice. If you want to feel healthy, drinking water is key. Drinking water is fundamental to keeping your immune system strong. Why? Because it helps carry oxygen around the body, which is obviously high on the list of priorities. Staying hydrated also helps flush away harmful toxins, preventing a buildup that could potentially threaten your immune system. If you're not a pro at hydration, try adding a dash of lemon or ginger to your water to enhance the flavor. Both are high in antioxidants and will help to stimulate healthy digestion. Number 8. Engage in physical activity. Exercising regularly, be it in a gym, outside, or more likely these days at home, can help boost your immune system for a number of reasons. When we work out, our body releases hormones called endorphins. These make us feel good and help to reduce our stress levels. And if you remember when we talked about adrenals, stress is no good for your immune system. Exercise also helps our bodies to make white blood cells, including T cells, which we always need a strong supply of. And because we're increasing circulation when we move around, those cells get distributed throughout the body. Number 9. Increase healthy fats. Omega-3s and their anti-inflammatory properties support the immune system by activating T cells. Research into how this specifically works is still underway, but several studies have shown that omega-3s have positive immunoregulatory effects. Can you get enough omega-3s on a vegan diet? The answer is a resounding yes. For more information on sources, see our video on plant-based omega-3 sources better than fish. Companies are now offering vegan sources of omega-3 fatty acids in liquid supplement form. There are plant-based algae oils as well as flaxseed oils. Herbaland offers flaxseed-based vegan omega-3s in gummy form. It also offers a vegan version for kids, both in orange flavor. Number 10. Consider a multivitamin. Sometimes you just need a little extra assurance, right? While it's possible to get most nutrients in bountiful amounts on a well-planned plant-based diet, a catch-all supplement may be beneficial. It will also ensure you're getting enough B12, which can be difficult to get from vegan food sources. Available for kids and adults, Herbaland's vegan multivitamins contain a balanced combination of 13 essential vitamins and minerals, including B12. What did you think of these immune-supporting tips? Do you follow a plant-based diet? Will you consider taking Herbaland supplements? Let us know in the comments below.